Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working on an engine that you can find in Jeep Compass and Jeep Renegade, guys. It's a 2.4 multi-air engine. If you guys have one of those, you have engine light on and you have code, guys, P0444. Stay with us, guys. We will explain most likely what causes that code and how to fix it. Quick introduction to the channel, guys. You can see the engine is out. Why? Because we did an engine replacement, and in the meantime, guys, we made probably close to 100 videos to show you how to fix pretty much anything on that engine. In addition, we'll be making another 100 videos to diagnose that engine and common problems and engine codes. Why we do all that? Pretty simple, guys. Our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information to you guys. If you need to buy any replacement parts to use to fix that problem or anything like that, check out the links will be shared in the description of the video below for your convenience. Let me show you what we have here now. This engine is out of a 2017 Jeep, guys, but before we start I want to explain to you something, guys. This is the scanner that we use. Many of you always ask me in the comment section below. I just saw another comment, what scanner we like, what we recommend. This is it, guys, for something. Okay, this is probably the best scanner that I used at the shop. We have scanners that are capable of doing more programming and things like that, but this is my everyday scanner. It works on every American car, every European car you can think of, guys, and also it works on every Asian vehicle as well. What I like about this one, it's affordable to the point that it can pay itself off in one-time use. You can scan, read and delete codes from every computer in your car, and you can see live data, which is an amazing feature. Now, if you guys have that code P0444, what it indicates, guys, it indicates that you have problems with the purge control valve or the evap system, guys, on the back side of your engine. Okay, if you come on the back side of your engine, you have that device that's known as a purge valve or purge solenoid. You have, as you can see, two lines. So this is the fuel line coming to the fuel injectors. This is your fuel rail, and another line coming from a special device that's located by your fuel tank. It's known as the canister, charcoal canister. It catches the fuel vapors so they're not released in the atmosphere, and when there is enough pressure, it sends signal to the engine computer to activate the purge valve. Purge valve will open, and those vapors, fuel vapors, will be injected in the intake manifold, and that way they will burn through the engine. They will give you more power. Your engine will be more efficient, and you will not pollute the atmosphere. Win-win situation. When that, guys, valve fails, you get that code P0444. So check it out, guys. Make sure that the valve is working correctly. We have a video on the channel that explains how to replace it and how to, guys, test it as well. Another thing to check, okay, let me disconnect it quick so I can show you. You need to, guys, okay, it's a little bit stuck here, always gets stuck. Okay, perfect. Make sure that the wire is plugged all the way in. Make sure it's not broken, and once you install it, make sure that you push that white piece all the way in. This is a safety feature that prevents the connector from coming loose. So connect the valve and then, okay, just push that white thing in. But most likely, guys, this causes your problem. Now, if you need to buy a new one, guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. If you need to see how to replace it, we have the video, and we have a video how to test it as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more help, and see you guys next time.